Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Rajan Sharma, and I'm back with a new video. And guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the most important tutorials of the social media app that will make the app more interactive. Understand? Because till now we are creating the app, but now we are going to finish the app. So before it, guys, you can because for the story functionality, you have to join the membership, and it's quite cheap. You can see 29 rupees per month, not too much. You can join it for story functionality and for source code of all of my tutorials, because now it is not available for free. So after this, let me show you that in this tutorial what we are going to do is, guys, first of all, you can see you have to open this show user layout file, and here you can see that this is our layout file for showing user data. But for now you have to open and F1 fragment 1, and here, guys, you have to just click on this button, send message, then control plus C, copy this one, come here, and then in the ending, in the very last, you have to paste that button. Understand? But make sure to change the ID. This time it will be btn send message show user. Understand? That's all you have to do. And then, guys, after this, you can do one thing, is that you have to come here in this show user. Understand? And I think we are using, no, we are not using buttons. So here you have to declare a variable for button, then button equals to, not here, so alt plus enter. Why is it showing error? Because yeah, send message, this time it will not show error. And it was happening because of we are already using a variable of name button, maybe, I guess. Yeah, you can see that this is a text view, and I'm giving it name button. That's why it is creating problem. So after this, when you will change the name, send message btn, so inside this on create, you have to go give the reference. So write send message equals to find you by id, r dot id dot, and btn send message show user, semicolon. Now we have the reference, we can proceed. So after this, guys, what here you will do is very simple. Simply write send button, so dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So now inside this, guys, we will implement that what we have to do when the button is clicked. Understand? So for this, you have to open the message activity, and because why you have to open message activity, you can type here activity message. Let me open this Java package. Yeah, message activity. So guys, here you have to see that we have three parameters, that is URL, receiver name, and receiver UID. Understand? So we are sending this data from chat activity. So here you can open chat activity also. So then here we will check the send message btn. Here you can see we are using this very simple intent, control plus C, then go back, show user, then paste it here. And you have to change this to show user parent activity. Understand? And now, guys, we need that user ID. So for user ID, we can do one thing, is user ID, we are retrieving the user ID. Yeah. And what's the error? No error. So here you can see that it is a user ID of that user, that particular user. I mean, the moment you will click on this view profile, so it will take you to the show user. It means that it is the ID of that user. It's the ID of that user you are searching for. That one, it is a user ID of that user, you are going to see its profile. Understand? So it's a user ID. So now you can see that we have all three parameters. So we are sending three data, I mean string data, in using intent. So when you the button, so when you will click on the button, so it will take user to the message activity, and it will directly open the messages that before this tutorial you are accessing that message activity from chat activity, but now when you will click on the show user and you will click on the message button, you can also send message directly, understand? So that is after this you have to open this fragment 4. Why? Because guys, this time, just like other social media apps, when you click on the name of the user, so you go to their account. So basically here what I'm doing is that when in fragment 4, when someone will upload a picture or video and you will click on their profile name, so you will be able to see their profile. How? You have to come here in this fragment 4, and here, guys, we have to write folder dot profile image profile, yes, text view tv name profile, then dot set on click listener new on click listener. But just before this, guys, you have to open this uh, post member post view holder. So you can see that tv name profile, and tv name profile is the name, I mean I'm checking. So it will tv name post, yes. So it will show the name of the user who have done the post. So after this, guys, we can proceed here. So open this fragment 4 again, and here what you have to do is just open this profile activity, not profile view holder, show user profile activity fragment 3. Yeah, you have to open this fragment 3, not profile view holder, sorry. Open this fragment 3 because one thing that we are doing here is we are sending user to the show user activity, and on start Firebase recycle adapter. Yeah, that is. Here you can see that we are using an intent for sending user, for showing user data. So simply you have to copy this from here and go back in this fragment 4, and you have to paste that things inside here. Now it is again asking for the user ID. So we can retrieve the user ID. That's the very simple part. We are already retrieving user ID, understand? So you have to pass that user ID. So that's done. This time, guys, when you will click on the username in fragment 4, so you will be able to see the profile of that particular user, understand? So guys, these are the some cool changes, and you can say main features of a social media app that I'm showing you in this tutorial. And after this, guys, I will also implement set on click listener on this post. So what happened that when the user will click on this post, so they will be able to see the number of I mean they will be able to see the post of that user. But I think this tutorial is long, so for now it's enough, and in next tutorial I will show you that how can we do that. So when you will click on this post tv, so you will be able to see the images, videos, and other stuff. So for this video, that's enough. I hope you like this tutorial. So guys, please join the membership of our channel, because the story functionality and source code and other special perks will be available when you will join the membership. It is not too expensive, it's quite cheap. You can see only 29 rupees per month, understand? I reduced the price. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching.